church squad.
Look, I donated my friend a truck.
That's a lie. Yeah, this video gets 1,000 likes. We'll donate this truck right here.
No.
What is up, guys? Day number 2 of vlogging. Today basically I'm on my way to church, Sunday service, morning service. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get a few clips from the service of me playing. If y'all don't know, I'm a musician, so today I'm actually playing. I'm also a part of the media staff. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to get some clips in for y'all, and then I'll try to record what I do after. It's not really much, but I know that it's content, so let's go.
Nuestra voz con fuerza y declarar algo.
Here with Danny. There we go. Louis. Welcome to the vlog. I'm vlogging for the first time ever.
Oh, awesome.
There we go. What's up, guys?
What's up?
Church squad.
Look, I donated my friend a truck.
That's
a lie. That's the title.
Yeah, this video gets 1,000 likes. We'll donate this truck right here.
No. Please.
It's a giveaway, yeah.
We'll donate.
Buy some merch. Danielito.
Buy some Canan merch.
Marcos. What's up, guys? Good. Brother Tito. He's camera shy. Not really. Yeah. The startup. The cold start. Oh.
Sorry.
Can't get in trouble, bro. We're in the hood right now.
My foot was. I'm terribly sorry.
Here with brother Nolan. This way again.
I just finished vlogging at church.
Okay, so we're home, obviously, because I'm my regular clothes, with Kayla and Bella and Leah, my daughters. We ordered some extra patio lights because we got a patio in the back, or whatever you want to call it, area in the back where we need to light up for their birthdays parties. So we got the package and we're just gonna unbox it. I think there's something else. There might be something else there too, not just the lights. So let's go ahead and open it. So
Countdown. 3, 2, 1. Go. 2 boxes. 2 boxes.
Kayla's favorite. So what did we get? Just the lights, or did we get everything?
2 boxes.
Okay, those are the patio lights. Show me, Leah.
I don't know
Bella,
what it
what
is,
you
but
got is the desktop monitor light. It goes on top of like the desktop, or the I keep saying the desktop, the monitor, and it lights up the table.
ooh, cool.
Yeah. We actually went and chose this brand.
Look.
These are outdoor strip lights. They're really good. Actually, we already have one just to see how long they work. And they are really nice. They're 48 feet. So yeah, I was saying, I'm gonna leave a link at the description below so y'all can order them too. They're really nice. The package is beat up, but we'll put them on later, and I'll probably do a video showing how to install them. So yeah, outdoor string lights. What do you think, Bella?
I think those are gonna look really good. And
You seen them, right? Or you seen the one that I already put?
yeah, they're so cool. But guys, if y'all only buy 1 pack, y'all gotta buy more than 1 pack, cause the first pack we bought was only a little bit for our
It wasn't
patio.
long enough.
It wasn't long enough.
Our patio is pretty big
Big.
size. Not
Yeah,
like
so we ordered more than just 1. So y'all might have just a smaller patio than us. So y'all might only need 1. But if y'all ever do try this out, we'll see that video and
yeah. So Bella wants to show y'all how loud this Volvo wrap is. Yeah, she's already popped a couple. Go ahead, Bella. Wow, that's pretty loud. Come on, Kayla, go for it.
again.
There you go. So yeah, I just did a quick unboxing. It's nothing fancy. Like I said, whenever I put the lights up, I'll probably make a video just to show you how I install them. Because I know everybody does all different ways. And probably better videos than what I'm going to make. But I'm still going to do it. And if I do upload, then I hope you enjoy it. Like it. Subscribe. Leave a comment. Now my favorite part of the whole thing. Cleanup time.
That's not my favorite.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
So yeah, basically that's what goes on my Thursdays, for me at least. Go to work,
don't get to go home. I had to go straight to church because I barely make it to our rehearsals. And yeah, then I get home and the girls are already asleep because, you know, they gotta go to school and all that. So it's a long day for me. I don't get to spend that much time at home. And it's usually like this for me on Wednesdays too. Wednesdays I have to go to church right after work as well. Fridays as well because we have service. So yeah, if you get to go home after work or you get to stay at home, enjoy it because not a lot of us get to do that. I know there's a lot of y'all that probably do spend more time outside doing other stuff, you know, for the church or whatnot. Props to you. I know that a lot of people, you know, don't see it, but you put in a lot of work to keep it up. This vlog wasn't really meant for anything else, just to really show y'all what I do on my Thursdays. I'm probably gonna upload another video like I told y'all the other day. I'm gonna upload a video showing y'all how to install patio lights. Well, at least how I install them, because I really want to get that project finished. At least that part, you know, just to have a good lighting in the back of the house, you know, because we want to have like a little get together there, even though you're not supposed to because of COVID and all that. But that's it, guys. Sorry I'm recording with my phone because my other camera decided to die on me. So yeah, that's it. I'll see y'all probably in a little bit. So yeah, I know there's a lot of y'all that probably do the same thing. Y'all don't get to go home, spend a lot of time with your kiddos because, you know, you get the privilege, because it's a privilege, to work with the church in any ministry, whether it's music or media or whatever department in the church. It's a privilege, and you know, but like at the same time, you know, a lot of us don't get to go home. We put a lot of work into what we're doing. But yeah, props to you, and just know that, like, even though you're not getting, or like other people don't see what you do, other people do see that. But you know, if they don't, just know that, you know, God's gonna reward you. At the end of the day, God's gonna reward you because you do everything for Him. And you know, just like I told my brother one time, that all the work that you do, just make sure you keep on doing it, give it your all, and like in the intimacy, like in I don't know, in Spanish you say en lo íntimo, you know, the Bible says that if you search Him in the intimate, in the closed place, like in your private time, then God will, you know, show you. He'll do the boasting for you. So there's no need for you to be like, you know, hey, look at me, look at this and that. I know it might seem boring, but like, that's what I do on a Thursday. It's like, I go to work, and you know, 8 hours a day of work, and then I clock out and go straight to church. And when I get there, you know, I have to like make sure that I'm the first one there, and it's really hard. You know, sometimes I have to like rush because there's an exit. I don't know if it's me, but do y'all ever, like, when you way home, like, or whenever you're driving, just turn off the music just because you're tired of listening to noise or sound? I do that a lot. Well, at least like sometimes. But yeah, I just like turn off the radio, don't listen to anything. It's like relaxing, man. You get to hear yourself. Yeah. Shout out to all the people that are watching, because I know y'all the real ones, like I was saying, y'all day ones, man. Hopefully one day we can, you know, have a bigger following. Hey, ya tú sabes. But yeah, props, yo. To my wife too. She supported me like crazy. She's He's always there for me. You know, we have like these like deep thoughts sometimes, like the talks. I mean, and we just talk about stuff and just like keeps on going. I'm almost home. It's tiring. It's a long drive. I don't live really close to the house, to the church. My house is not really close to the church. But shout out to y'all people. We're almost home. Pray for me. Mama, I love you. Alright guys. I'm done. See y'all in a little bit maybe. I had an idea I wanted to share with you guys and let me know what y'all think. I got a friend that he's always putting these videos like, shout out to Brian Ramos. He always puts these videos like he's like riding on those little, I don't even know what you call them, like those electric shopping carts. And I don't know, I was thinking about like doing some vlog, some video, like going through the store, you know, talking with him, having a conversation about something. So let me know what y'all think. I thought that would be funny just to like do that and just record that, or maybe I can show y'all how I think about the stuff, like the set list for the weekend, like for church. There's songs I gotta put together, so I can show you how to do that. Let me know. Put in the comments below what y'all want me to do, because honestly, like whenever you record stuff like this, you just like trying to figure out what other people want to watch. And I know that I get it that, you know, just record and people are gonna start watching, and hopefully people start watching. But yeah, I want to know what y'all want to watch, because if y'all like tutorials, like I said about the patio lights, I can do that. If not, shoot, whatever, you know, I can do music. I can show you how to play a certain song. If y'all want to learn how to play an instrument, drop it down in the comments below. I'll record a video. I don't care. I don't mind. Man, there's no lights here. Sorry, guys. There's absolutely like no lights. They kill the lights here because they like to drag race and race in the street. So yeah. But yeah, leave a comment below what y'all want me to do, what y'all want me to record. I don't have any problem recording it. Bye, Felipe.